smarter. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the new Echo Glow. The great thing about this is that you can use it by itself, or you can control it from the Amazon Echo app. So sit back and relax, and let me tell you all about it. Here we have the Echo Glow, which is compatible with any Amazon Alexa device. In the box, you're going to get the unit, a power supply, as well as the instruction manual. The sphere is 3.9 inches by 3.9 inches, and it has a Kelvin of 2600 K. Also on the bottom of it, you're going to find a barcode that's necessary when setting up the application, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Once you plug it in, you can easily turn it on without having to have the application, just by simply pressing the button on the back. And you can easily change the color just by tapping on it. Now I'm going to show you how to program the light, but you're going to need some kind of Amazon Alexa like this Amazon dot here. From your smartphone, go ahead and click on the Amazon Alexa app. Press on device at the bottom, and you'll get a screen like this. Next, you want to hit the plus in the top corner. Then press on add device. Next, press on Amazon Echo. And then scroll down to the bottom until you see Echo Glow. Press on it. Then press next. Earlier in the video, I showed you there was a barcode on the bottom of the unit. Go ahead and press scan barcode, and the camera pulls up. Go ahead and move it to the Echo device. And you can see it already found the barcode. It'll start blinking once it's starting to connect.
Your Echo Glow is ready. For things to try, go to the Alexa app.
And now the light is connected. Go ahead and press next. And you can add it to a group if you like, but I'm going to skip that. Go ahead and give it a name. And then press continue. From the main screen, you can turn it off and on. You can change the brightness from 1% all the way up to 100%. And then under colors, you have set, and you can change it to different colors like I showed you when I was touching it. Next, you have the different modes. You can do campfire, Christmas, as well as the other ones down here. Under tap, you can choose if you can tap it to change colors or leave that disabled. You can also create routines like having it turn on when you get home, or create a sunset when you wake up, things like that. Now let's try some voice commands. Turn light blue. Turn light red. Turn light green. Dim light 25%. Turn light 100% brightness. So you can see you can control all the different colors just right there. Now to get the most out of this light, you want to set up a routine, so let me show you how. Hit the three lines in the corner, and then press on routines. Then press on create routine, and then go ahead and give it a name. Then press next. And now we want to put in what happens. Now let's go ahead and set a timer by pressing schedule. And you can have this routine to automatically start when the sunrise or sunset, but let's go ahead and choose a time. Go ahead and select a time. Let's say 5 a.m. Once you have that set, you can choose if you want to repeat, and let's say weekdays, and then press next. Now let's give it an action. I want Alexa to say good morning, and when she type that in, go ahead and press next, and then next again. Now let's choose another action, and go down to where you see Smart Home, then press on Lights, and then press on Echo Glow. Press next, and let's give it a color. Let's choose red, then press save, and then press next. The last thing you need to do is at the bottom, choose what device that's going to talk the command. I'm going to choose the Echo Dot. Once everything's entered, go ahead and press save, and now the routine's been created. Now with everything else set up, I can hit the play here on the side and show you what the routine's going to look like. Let's go and try it.
Good morning, Tech Steve.
As you can see, it said good morning and it turned the light red. That's pretty much how you create a routine, and you can customize it any way you want with news, traffic, weather, or anything of your likings. So that's everything you need to know about the Echo Glow. If you're interested in learning more, they're about $30, and I'll leave that link in the comments below. But like all my videos before, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.